National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for Calcasieu Lake. Coastal waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Sabine Lake until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles northeast of Cameron to 9 nautical miles north of West Cameron 45, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Cameron 66, West Cameron 45, West Cameron 53, West Cameron 65, West Cameron 62, West Cameron 73, West Cameron 71, Sabine Pass 10, West Cameron 48, the mouth of the Sabine River, Sabine Pass 13, West Cameron 110, West Cameron 100, West Cameron 130, Port Arthur, and Cameron. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to 40 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.